Hey everyone, welcome to the City Escape. Today we're checking out my latest grilling accessory, and that is the Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket, model number 6434. I've been using this all week, give you my first impressions, let you know what I think, and whether or not you should pick one up for yourself. First thing we want to do is take a look at the dimensions of this basket, and we can see that it's 2.5 inches deep, 13.8 inches long, and 11.8 inches wide. But what does that mean in a real world situation? Let's take a look. If you have the Weber Q1200, this basket is too big. It's not going to fit. You're not going to be able to close your lid. Not this way, or spin it this way. It's not going to fit this way either. Don't get this basket if you only have the Weber Q1200. Q2200, it fits fine. No problem closing the lid. And you always need to close the lid when you're grilling with the Weber Q, no matter what Weber Q you have. And on the Weber kettle, no problem whatsoever. So basically this basket will fit just about any grill except for something really small like the Q1200. Anytime you buy a new pot or a new pan, you want to give it a quick wash in some hot soapy water and then rinse it clean, and then you're good to go. So we've got our first cook in the Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket, and we're going to start with some zucchini. Next, we're going to add some sweet Vidalia onion. And when it comes to onions, I really love Vidalias. Up next, we've got some red bell pepper. Chop that up, throw it in. Garlic. Of course, we got to have some garlic. You know that. And one of my favorite vegetables for the grill is asparagus. Just remove the bottom inch or two because it's hard and not pleasant to eat, and then just section the rest. And I don't know about you, but I absolutely love grilled mushrooms. So what I'm going to do with these shiitakes is pop off the stems and just cut them up just like so. So I had been considering making this a vegetarian dish, but at the last minute I decided, you know what, I'm going to add some sweet Italian sausage and see how this comes out, because for some reason this sweet Italian sausage was calling me. City Escape Griller, cook me. Add in to the mixture a little bit of olive oil, some garlic salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Mix this around with a spoon, or hell, just use your hand, and we are ready for the grill. So the first thing we're doing is firing up the Weber Q2200, and you can see I preheated not only the grill, but I preheated the grilling basket as well. And we're going to add our medley here to the grilling basket. And I'll tell you what, this is already looking delicious to me. It looks perfect already, and we just started. So close the lid, and then every 5 minutes or so, we're going to give this a stir. And I'm cooking on medium heat. To me, this is really making cooking vegetables really easy on the grill. And after about 15 minutes, I'm going to give it one last stir, and I think these are ready to come in. Just a super easy cook, just a great, easy way to cook a bunch of vegetables. You can hear those geese on the lake. If they're not careful, I might be grilling one of them up. in this grilling basket as well. And seriously, like, how easy and delicious is that? So yeah, very next day, I'm gonna make the same exact recipe because this came out really great on the gas grill. And I know it's gonna come out even just that little bit better over charcoal. Charcoal just adds that little nuance of smoke and flavor that is absolutely delicious. We're gonna cover this, and then about every 5 minutes or so, just like on the gas grill, we're gonna give this a stir. I'd say you gotta be a little more careful over charcoal because it seems to run, it could run a little bit hotter, and you just have to eyeball it. But about every 4 or 5 minutes, give it a stir. And with the charcoal, you seem to get a little bit more of that smoke flavor, of char, of that delicious grill flavor that you're looking for. And here's our final dish using the Weber Deluxe Grill Basket. I mean, how easy and delicious is that? So the Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket, I've been using this for a week now, making what I call vegetable medleys. Just whatever vegetables you have, throw them in here with a little olive oil, some seasonings, and in 10 or 15 minutes on the grill, you've got some great grilled vegetables to go along with the meats that you're grilling. It's a great product from Weber. I highly recommend. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you have one of these, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, keep on grilling.